Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to turn pumpkin seeds into a tasty and healthy snack. So next time you have a pumpkin, instead of throwing the seeds away, which it's a pity to throw them away because they're very nutritious, they're high in antioxidants, they're high in minerals. They actually have a lot of similar health properties to nuts. So if you have a nut allergy, this is actually a really good alternative tasty snack that can help regulate blood pressure, it can help lower blood sugar, it can help boost good cholesterol, and it's obviously got a lot of minerals in it too, like iron and magnesium. So it's probably good if you don't throw them away, because this recipe I'm showing you is really easy to make, and you'll probably be surprised how tasty these are. I've tried them on all my family and they all really love them, and they're a great alternative to processed snacks. You're next using a pumpkin. Just take out the seeds and take off any of this orange membrane that's stuck to it. Then you just have to dry them with a paper towel, and once they're dry, put them on a fresh piece of paper towel and just leave them out overnight, or even up to 2 days if you want to, just so that they dry out. So they end up like that, they're quite dry. So just measure it out. So that's about half a cup. So this recipe is for about half a cup of seeds. If you have less, you can lower the quantities, or if you have more, you can increase the quantities of the other ingredients. So that's about half a cup there. So now I'm just going to put a teaspoon of olive oil. And olive oil is a nice healthy oil. Just for a little sweetness, so we have a sweet and spicy flavour, we'll put a teaspoon of maple syrup. So I'm going to add some spices to it, so we have a nice spicy taste. So about half a teaspoon of cinnamon, great for lowering blood sugar. And then we'll have half a teaspoon of ginger. And ginger can really help to fight off viruses in the body. And then we'll put just a quarter teaspoon of cardamom. It's quite a strong spice, but it's good. It can help lower blood pressure, so it's a good one to use. And a bit of cloves, because as you know, pumpkin and cloves are a really nice match. So put that in, and if you like nutmeg as well, you can just put in nutmeg powder or grate in some nutmeg. Just to bring out the flavours a little bit more, you just add a little bit of salt. Not too much, that should do. Just mix it all together. So the seeds are all coated in a nice sweet and spicy mixture. Of course, if you don't like any of these particular spices, you can leave them out, or you could find your own spice blends. You could put in other spices. You could even add chili if you want them to be a little bit hot. So the spices are really up to you, but I would encourage you to use some of these because they're very tasty and very good for you as well. So now we just have to spread it on a baking tray. So now I'm just baking the oven at about 150 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. But just keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. But you want them to go fairly crispy. Okay, so our pumpkin seeds have been in there about 20 minutes and they look like they're done. So we'll just leave them to cool. Okay, so our sweet and spicy pumpkin seeds are ready to eat. So next time you have a pumpkin, just keep the seeds and surprise all your family and friends with this delicious snack. Because I'm sure once you try this, you will be surprised at how tasty it actually is. It's quite addictive in a way, and obviously a lot healthier than processed snacks. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.